Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming Packs. Our next topic is Python tuples. I hope you have gone through my previous videos, okay? And in my last video, I have shown you how to create list in Pythons, okay? So I've shown you like how we can change the object, update the element, delete the element in Python list. So now we are working for tuples, okay? Tuples are just like lists, but tuples are the sequences of immutable Python objects. What do you mean by immutable Python objects? Like in list, you can say you have seen like can change the elements, we can update the elements, we can delete the elements in a list. Okay, but we cannot do any update or cannot add any element in tuples. Okay, so that's why called tuples is immutable. Okay, so tuples can be created by using parentheses, like round brackets, you can say as well. Okay, so the major difference between Python and list. Right? List objects can be changed, but by tuples object cannot be changed once created. And list uses square brackets where tuples use parentheses. Okay, so now we'll move to the coding scenario of tuples, right? So you can see like how we can check how to create tuple, right? So now you can see I have written a one blank tuple over there, and I'm going to print it. Okay, you can see that blank tuple is showing. Okay, so now I'll create another tuple. Um, So where I'll mention, suppose I'm taking parentheses and now I'll mention some player's name, Virat Kohli, Sachin, Yuvraj, Kumble. Okay, okay. So now I'll print this tuple. Okay. So you can see I've changed the tuple and we can print double, right? Okay, so now if I need to access it, right? I have shown in my list like how we can access any element in a list by using indexing operator, right? Same we will do in tuple. Okay, accessing the tuple, right? Okay, so if I'll print tuple, tuple one, and I want to extract the Sachin name, right? So I will write one. It will print me, right, Sachin, because it's using we are using the index operator, right? We are using index operator to extract element from tuple. Okay, so Sachin is one, so it starts from a zero, starts from zero, starts from zero. Okay, to n minus one. Okay, and means the last element. Okay, so okay, so this is one. So if I want to print like from beginning to end, from like from Sachin to Kumble. Okay, I'll take one, two, and okay. So it will print me from Sachin to Kumble. So that's how we can access the elements from tuple, right? Now we'll see updating the tuple. So as I've told you, tuples are the immutable objects, right? Tuples contain immutable objects, so we cannot change tuple. So we cannot update tuples as they are immutable, right? So let's retry it. Okay, let's see what error we get. Okay, so I'll try. I will add tuple. Okay, I'll instead. Okay, I'll add. Okay, instead of Yuraj, I'll add Dhoni. Right, and now I'll print players tuple name. So we'll see what we can get. See, we have now received an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Means we cannot add, update the tuple. Right? So I'll also comment this. Right? So now I'll move to next third. So we'll see how to concatenate the tab. Okay, we'll see how to concatenate the tuples. Right? So concatenate the tuple. Right? So suppose I have one team one. Okay. Mm, my team one contains Virat Kohli, right? Sachin, Yuvraj, Kumble, right? And my next team. So I'm showing you the how to create tuples mean as well, right? So that's how you should do practice when you are Python beginner, right? You should practice each and every method of every topic. So I'll add players in my team, right? So I'll team. I'll create another name of the tuple and I'll add concatenate one. So now I'll print team final team final team, right? Okay, so it should print me my final team. It will add a Kumbale, then my second team. It have concatenated the two tuples, right? Now suppose if I want to find the number of elements in my tuple, then I will use length method. Okay, to check the number of elements in tuple, right? So I'll print I'll number of players and team 3, right? So number of players 7, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so right. So now I suppose we have a one tuple. Okay, we have one tuple and which we have the numbers, integer numbers, right? Right. Okay. So like I'll take 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4. Okay. Now Okay, now I have to find the max valued element. I need max valued element. So I'll use max method to return maximum value from tuple. Okay, so print max tuple, right? So it should print me triple four, right? Say maximum. So same, if I routine return minimum value, I'll use minimum method, right? Print minimum tuple. So okay, so our last method in our tuple topic is how to list to convert list to tuple, right? We use tuple method for that to convert any list to tuple. Suppose I have players list, okay, and I'll just copy the name of players, okay. Otherwise, it takes time to write all list. Okay, so I have some players list, okay, and these are the players list. I need to convert into tuple, so I'll just create name of a tuple, players tuple, right? I'll use tuple method and I'll enter the name of a list which I need to convert into tuple, right? And then I'll print players tuple, okay, and I'll print. I'll run, okay. So you can see now it is converted to tuple, right? So one thing we haven't checked right now, if we want to delete any tuple, can we do that? Okay, suppose I have player tuple, okay, so I'll use player delete player tuple, right? So can I do that? Let's check. Okay, I have, okay, see, player tuple is not defined, right? So if I'll one, like I have like second element I need to delete, and then I want to print, you can check player type error, object doesn't support item, deletion. Okay, yeah, now it's showing correct. Like tuple object doesn't support item, deletion, right? So we cannot add, we cannot delete any element from tuple. Okay, so that's the tuple topic for today. Okay, so if you like my channel, if you understand the things, please subscribe it, share it to your friends, okay, to your colleagues. Okay, okay, really it takes a lot of hard work to create videos. Okay, so please help me to keep subscribing and keep motivate me to create more videos. Okay, thank you everyone, and please subscribe the channel. It will really help me a lot. Right? Thank you. Have a nice day.